What if the gap between you and a millionaire has nothing to do with your salary, your degree, or your luck? It comes down to 15 habits, quiet daily practices that wealthy people have been doing for years, that nobody in their circle is rushing to teach you. Today that changes. Stay until habit 15. It might be the one that rewires everything. Let us get into it. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. The second your paycheck lands, before rent, before bills, before anything, a percentage moves automatically to savings or investments. Non-negotiable. Every time. Most people pay everyone else first and save whatever is left. The wealthy do the exact opposite. They save first and live on what remains, even $10. The habit matters more than the amount. Start today. Habit 2. Never spend money to impress strangers. Most people are broke because they are buying things to look rich, to impress people they do not even like. The truly wealthy drive ordinary cars, wear no logo clothes. They do not need your validation because their bank account already validates them. Before every purchase, ask, am I buying this for me or for them? Habit 3. Track every single dollar. Wealthy people treat their personal finances like a business. They know exactly what comes in, what goes out, and where every dollar is working. You cannot grow what you do not measure. If you do not know where your money goes, it quietly disappears every single month. A simple notes app, a free budgeting tool. The tool does not matter. The habit does. Habit 4. Buy assets, not things. A car is not an asset. A designer bag is not an asset. A new phone is not an asset. These lose value and put nothing back in your pocket. An asset puts money back into your pocket. Stocks, real estate, index funds, a business. Every time wealthy people have extra money, they ask one question: will this make me more money? That question alone separates the rich from everyone else. Habit 5. Never rely on one income stream. The average millionaire has 7 sources of income, not because they work 7 jobs, but because they built systems that earn while they sleep. If you only have one income stream, you are one bad day away from a financial crisis. Start thinking about your second stream, a skill you can freelance, an investment you can start small. Build the second wall. Habit 6. Invest before you spend, not after. Most people say they will invest when they have more money. That moment never comes. Wealthy people invested first, even with almost nothing, because time in the market beats timing the market. $100 today is worth more than $1,000 10 years from now. Start now. Start small. Just start. Habit 7. Use debt, but strategically. Bad debt makes someone else richer. Credit card interest, car loans, consumer debt. This quietly destroys your wealth every month. Good debt builds your wealth. A mortgage on a rental property where tenants pay your loan. A business investment with clear returns. The wealthy do not fear debt. They study it. Before taking any debt, ask, is this making me richer or making someone else richer? Habit 8. Never stop investing in your own education. Warren Buffett reads 5 to 6 hours every single day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. The most successful people treat knowledge like currency. Because it is. Your income can only grow as fast as you do. Books, podcasts, courses, mentors. 1 book a month. 15 minutes of a finance podcast daily. Small, consistent inputs that compound massively over time. Habit 9. Protect your time like it is your most valuable asset, because it is. Money lost can be earned back. Time lost is gone forever. Wealthy people say no constantly, not just to things they dislike, but to things that are good but not the best use of their time. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that matters. Start treating your time the way wealthy people do, as the one resource you can never buy back. Habit 10. Automate your entire financial life. Emotion is the enemy of wealth. We impulse spend when stressed. We panic sell when markets drop. We talk ourselves out of saving when life gets busy. Automation removes emotion completely. Savings transfer automatically on payday. Investments scheduled monthly. Bills on autopay. The system runs whether you feel disciplined or not. And systems always outlast motivation. Habit 11. Say no far more than you say yes. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that matters. Rich people are ruthlessly selective with their spending, their time, their commitments. They do not spread themselves thin trying to please everyone. Focus is a superpower, and it is built entirely by saying no. No is not a negative word. No is a wealth-building tool. Habit 12. Think in decades, not months. Most people ask, how can I make money this month? Wealthy people ask, where will this decision take me in 10 years? They plant trees they may not sit under for years. They build slowly, consistently, patiently. Wealth is not a sprint. It is a long game played with daily discipline. Think accordingly. Habit 13. Build systems, not just goals. A goal says, I want to save $10,000. A system says, every Monday, $200 moves automatically to my investment account. No motivation required. Goals are destinations. Systems are the vehicle that gets you there whether you feel like it or not. Engineer your outcome. Do not just hope for it. Habit 14. Be extremely intentional about who you spend time with. You are the average of the 5 people closest to you, financially, mentally, emotionally. If everyone around you is comfortable being broke starts to feel normal. Wealthy people surround themselves with people who challenge them and push them to think bigger. You do not have to abandon people you love, but be honest about who is shaping your financial future every single day. And habit 15, the one nobody talks about. They are completely comfortable being misunderstood. When you stop buying things to impress people, they call you cheap. When you invest instead of party, they call you boring. When you protect your time, they call you arrogant. The wealthy made peace with this, not because they do not care about people, but because they understood something profound. Your bank account does not care what anyone thinks of you. Be misunderstood, build anyway. 15 habits, and none of them will make you rich overnight. But practice consistently, even 3 or 4 of them, will quietly change your financial life over the next few years. Start with habit 1. Today, set up an automatic transfer, even $10, to savings the moment your paycheck arrives. That one action starts building the identity, and the identity is where everything begins. If this video gave you something, subscribe. Because every week I share the money truths they never taught us in school. I will see you in the next one.